In the beginning, there was darkness. And then came the light, an unimaginable force that breathed life onto the earth. The source of all this light was our sun. The time has come to find a way of capturing that light in order to achieve something new, to surpass most of what has been done before. Eggebek in northern Germany, the site of one of Europe's largest solar parks, covering an area of more than 130 hectares. Here, a former military airport was to be turned into a future-looking power plant. April 2011. Construction begins in Eggebek. Several companies are working hand in hand to get everything completed on time. Hilti is in charge of the substructures. Trina Solar is delivering the solar panels, and Danfoss is providing the inverters. Thanks to our tried and tested team of suppliers, we are managing to meet all our deadlines, which is essential when you're trying to implement a project with this kind of precision and speed. The investment company Aquila Capital is financing about 60 megawatts of the solar park's total capacity. Of course, the solar park is absolutely vast. It is hugely impressive and represents a very interesting investment opportunity. And the components used are very high quality too. The panels, the inverters, the mounting systems. And last but not least, the fact that a young company like Möhring Energy has managed to build the park in record time and very reliably is very important for us and our investors. The solar panels are transported daily from the port of Hamburg to Eggebek. The PC05 and DC01A solar panels are manufactured by Trina Solar, one of the world's leading PV companies. The project in Eggebek is the biggest Trina Solar has ever been involved in. We are very honored to work with Möhring Energy on this project. The substructure system is built using Hilti's mounts and ready for the Trina solar panels. Solar power is a very exciting business area and people have a positive attitude towards it. The sheer dimensions of this project make it particularly exciting. Hilti is proud to be working on the largest solar park in Germany. The amount of material supplied by Hilti alone is enormous. 186 miles of rails and 90,000 clamps for the solar panels. By the time the project is over, 200 trucks will have moved over 4,000 tons of materials. A logistical triumph. Investors want convincing, feasible projects. By investing in Eggebek Solar Park, Aquila Capital is involved in one of the most attractive projects in the market. Aquila has secured itself 60 megawatts of the total project. These 60 megawatts will be part of a fund structured specifically for institutional investors such as insurance companies, pension funds, and so on. The substructures, erected in a transversal setup, are constructed in record time. In the end, around 4,200 arrays will cover the area. About 2 megawatts are installed daily, a fact that emphasizes the punctual delivery and quick assembly. The site has a total of 388,000 Trina solar panels. The panels we are using are a standard Trina solar product. That means they have been proven to do the job, so that we can guarantee a specific output. Something which is especially important for this park. Thanks to Hilti's easy-to-use clamps, installation is quick and effective. The panels are set up in rows of 4, a configuration that makes the park particularly solar efficient. Everything is set up perfectly to gain maximum exposure to the sun. Now, only the wiring needs to be completed. Hundreds of miles of cable will connect the panels to the Danfoss inverters and then to the central transformers. What started from scratch just a few months ago has now become one of the largest solar parks in Europe, with an output of 83 megawatts that will be fed into the German grid. As one of the official distributors of Trina solar panels, we have been working with Mr. Merling to really push this project forward. Together, we have sought ways and means of accomplishing this massive European project, and that with just one producer of solar panels. Eggebek Solar Park, a field of intelligent constructions, a sea of highly efficient solar panels. Merling Energy has really convinced us. A number of projects have already been agreed on and are in the planning phase. Eggebek, a powerful source of energy for a cleaner, greener future.